Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to claim Robux from Please Donate on PC. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're going to have to open a store here in Roblox. And once you have opened the store, say for example, here is what you can do. So I want you to go ahead and click the gifts here on the left side. Go ahead and click it, and then you should be able to see here the offline donations. Now you can go ahead and click this one right here in order for you to see all of the donations that people have sent you. Now essentially what you are going to do is just claim them one by one. You can just go ahead and tap the claim button located usually here on the right side. Now after doing so, you can just go back to the Roblox homepage, and then from here what you are going to do is just click your Robux here. So this is the amount of Robux that you have, and then you can head over to my transactions. Now here in the my transactions, you should see an option here. It says pending Robux. So it is going to look like this right here. So you have sale of goods, pending Robux, and then you should see the amount on the right side of it. So what is going to happen essentially is that you are just going to have to wait for this one in order for it to credit to your account. So usually the reason why we have pending Robux here is because of security reasons. So yeah, from that point forward, again, you don't have to do anything further. That is how it works, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.